Intelligent dry cleaning. The Arspura P2 ICV range hood can activate the fan impeller intelligent dry cleaning mode via the Smart Life app or the range hood control panel. The range hood runs at high speed automatically to clean oil stains on the surface of the fan impeller. Smart Life app operation steps. How to set, open the range hood page in the Smart Life app. Tap Intelligent Dry Cleaning. Tap Start. The range hood enters the 3-minute intelligent dry cleaning mode. Note, the intelligent dry cleaning mode can also be configured for cleaning reminders or automatic dry cleaning at a set time. Range hood control panel operation steps. In standby mode, tap Smart Clean to start a 3-minute cleaning cycle. Note, the intelligent dry cleaning function of the Arspura ICV range hood is only intended as an auxiliary function for simple cleaning of the fan impeller. It cannot replace daily cleaning, maintenance, and care.